Wow. Guys, we ran out of gas. My window won't go off though. The window.
To the wall!
To the window!
To quit running down my balls! Oh, whatever the rest of the song is. What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? I got the beautiful Elise in the passenger seat of my 1,000 horsepower rear wheel horsepower Trans Am. We got Max Check Vince behind us in his turbocharged BMW, and maybe we'll do a few little pulls. I'm actually going up to my buddy's shop to pick up a part that I need, and then I might need some gas too. I don't know. I think I might need some gas.
I think it's fine.
Until we run out, and then we're siphoning E85 out of Max's car.
Let's do it.
I don't think he'll like that very much. Yeah, so this will be a nice little just fun video. Maybe we'll do a slow pull, because honestly this car does not hook up at all on the street with the tires and the suspension. It just doesn't hook up. So plus it'll be a nice little reaction drive with her, because this will be the first time you're in the car, right?
Yes.
Comment below if you think I should make more videos with Elise. Also check her out right here on her Instagram.
They love me.
They do love you. It's kind of weird.
It's because I'm so fucking nice. Where'd Max go?
You're like, where'd Max go?
We didn't even get out a second.
Shake it 10 times, make sure it's a neutral, guys. Shake it more than twice, you're playing with it.
You're playing with it.
I can't wait to get this thing down to the track and run it. Cannot wait. All I need is a good set of stickies, and that's all I need. Good set of stickies. Maybe some skinnies in the front. I don't know. Can you imagine what this thing's gonna feel like when it sticks to the ground? It actually hooks and books. It's like I don't exist anymore. It's like I don't even matter.
Oh my god, look at the poor animal. Oh, there's a little raccoon in its mouth.
Because it's dead. Of course its mouth was open. It was no longer living. It was breathing for its last breath of air. I'm going to tell you guys one thing. I'm going to tell you as well one thing. When we're like stuck in traffic like this twin disc clutch sucks. It sucks so much. Like my leg's literally getting a workout right now.
Squat.
What?
Squats.
No, it's not a squat. It's leg lifts on one leg.
I mean, if you actually squatted, your legs wouldn't hurt.
squat every day. I bend over, put my socks on.
Shit on the toilet.
Shit on the toilet, you know, squat all day long.
Something broke. On your cam.
What?
It's so noisy.
It's side exit exhaust.
It's on my side too.
I know, and it's on. Do you smell the E85?
I'm trying to put my window up.
It's slowly going up. It's a slow window. Everybody that has an F-body knows.
It's as slow as this car.
You know this car's not slow.
I know, it kind of scares me. It's not very often I'm scared in a car.
Yeah, this thing's pretty sketchy.
Yeah, I could totally play the dollar bill game.
You wouldn't get the dollar.
Yeah, that bitch was stupid. Like, take the dollar.
Get the fuck out of here. We're not even in Boost anymore.
Alright, well, you have a dollar in your pocket?
I don't have any dollars in my pocket. It's a $5. It's not going to make any sense because the camera's not pointed to you.
I just want to know if I can do it.
No, you're definitely not getting there. Unfortunately, guys, you're not going to see this.
I just want to know if I can do it. He literally
You got to put your seatbelt on.
It is on.
No, it's not. The lower part. The lower part's on.
Yeah, that's all I... Alright, let's do this. Boost, baby. If you lose it, I give you $5. Alright. Drop a gear.
No, there's a cop right there.
That's the point. Drop
There's
a
a
gear.
cop there,
Drop
too.
a gear. Drop a gear. Let's get pulled over.
Oh my god. Alright, you ready?
Yep. Yes!
I might be running out of gas.
Nah.
I might be. I think I am.
Oh no.
I think I am.
Really?
And the reason being is because when I get on it, I see this go lean. It goes lean at about 4,500. It goes lean.
Centerville, is there sheets there? We already passed Prospect, right? Yeah.
There's not E85 here. As long as I don't get on it, I'm fine.
Hey, I got the bill.
Huh?
I got the bill.
It cut out.
Well, I got the bill.
I'm not putting that in the video.
I got the bill. You're putting that in the video.
I'm not putting anything in this video. Alright guys, so I'm running low on gas and I don't want to put fuel in this thing right now because I have my kids this weekend and I don't want to put fuel in it and let it sit. So we're just going to get it back to the shop because when she went to go for that $5 bill, she was cheating and I wasn't at full boost and it ran lean because I was running out of fuel in my tank on an XL.
Cheating?
No, you were cheating, yes.
I got the dollar.
It was, number one, it was $5.
It doesn't even matter.
And you were cheating.
I got it.
But you still were cheating because I wasn't able to give you a full
Andy,
boost.
you're a sore loser.
I'm not a sore loser. You're a sore loser.
I'm a great winner, and winners win, and I got the dollar, so I win.
When you pull it off the dash before it flies out the window. Oh look, you got it again. Wow.
I did it.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
You really are a sore loser.
Huh?
You really are a sore
I'm
loser.
not a sore. What do you mean? I'm not a sore loser.
You were in boost. We were in
I was
third.
like I was barely in boost.
We were at like 4 or 5 grand of third, and I got the dollar.
Like 4 or 5 grand's like 10 pounds of boost.
Okay, well that was when I last looked before I got the dollar.
What does this gauge say?
I didn't look at it.
You should have been looking at this gauge here.
I wasn't. I was looking at what gear you were in and your RPMs. We're gonna run out of gas.
I'm not gonna run out of gas. I'm gonna make it to the shop. I'm gonna make it.
We missed my car.
Huh?
We missed my car.
Well, you're coming back for your car later.
Oh god. I gotta run home and grab my ID.
Well, we can do that after we drop my almost out of gas car at the shop.
Hooray, we gotta hurry.
What's that?
Gotta hurry.
Oh, we'll be fine. Trust me. We'll be fine. Oh boy. Are we gonna make it? Are we gonna run out of gas? We'll just siphon it from Max's car. Fuck it. Up.
Wow. Guys, we ran out of gas. At least Max stopped. Good, I have a ride home still.
Yep, we're out of gas.
Wow. Wow.
We did not make it, boys.
Wow.
We did not make it. We ran out of gas. My gas gauge is not working.
Wow.
Elise is leaving. She's leaving. Bye. Bye. All right, boys. Well, I guess we're gonna have to go get gas. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Instagram, Diablo Formula Racing. Facebook is also Diablo Formula Racing. Deuces, guys.